Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Blade A34, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So, to get started, you will want to open up your settings application, and next scroll all the way down to System, choose Reset Options, and I will warn you, I believe I need to have 30% battery, so I probably won't be able to go through this. But in any case, you would want to select right here, Erase All Data. This will present you with a list of data that will be removed by this process. So going over this, the most important things here are things like music, photos, and just user data. If you want to back it up to maybe something like a computer, and if you don't want to back it up, then you can just select Erase All Data, and then do that once more. And it looks like I can actually reset it without having 30% battery, which is fantastic. So I'm gonna let it run through. This will take about 2 minutes to finish up, and once it's completed, I will be presented with the Android setup screen. So, like I said, I'll be back once that is visible on my end. I am, though, going to plug in the device so it can charge up, so it doesn't die throughout the process, because that would be bad. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.